town got its hustlers, the Bowery got its bumps, 42nd Street got a big gym, a Walker here, bull shooting.
So what pace is a sexy pace?
Yeah, he's big and dumb as a man can't come, but he's stronger than a...
Hi, I'm Jett. I'm currently the head coach of Rockwell Run Club. We started the club last year. The club is growing in terms of numbers, and the sessions are mostly on road races, road trainings, workouts, and whatnot. But for the trail, we started doing this just early this year, March or April, I think. So we started in small groups among us. So some trail runners, some mix of trail runners, hikers also, and those for those who are really super noob who really wanted to do trail. And now it's the group is growing, so we're doing it every Saturday of the week. So once a week, there's the free time only to do trails. Our projection for this group, because we're having this specific or specialized trail group embedded in the bigger Rockwell Run Club. For three main reasons. First is we wanted to give them a trail experience, the best trail experience for them, especially for those who have day jobs, experience some mindfulness, also experience in the growing trail community to join races, short distances or long distances. And thirdly is we wanted them to give their share on the environment, how to protect and conserve the environment. Because this is our playground, so we wanted to give our share to the environment.